Hello, my name is Brad, and I'm sending you this video to help you with your domain on your website, with your referrals, and your ranking. So I'm going to get right into this. The first thing we're going to do is talk about content, backlinks, and citations. All right. Content is the amount of words that you have on your website. Okay. Um, Google I'm going to actually copy and paste this while I'm doing this. Google requires 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website to stay in good standings with them. You guys are at 185. Okay. I found your competitor in this area right here as I type this in here, and they are Comfort Air. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy and paste. By the way, this word count is a free site you can get off of the internet. There's several different ones, but this is the one I use. As you can see, they have 185 words on their website. And again, this is who they are. And how I found them was by typing in this area right here. I'm sure if you bought pizza, looking for a hotel, flight, whatever it might be, you know what this is right here. So down here, um, I went with comfort because of the fact that you guys were already the number one spot, which is good. And it's good to stay there. But I'm going to show you some things that you might want to look at on your website to help keep you there and bring you in more clientels. So, again, when I type this in here, I use what they refer to as keywords plumbing and heating. Okay. Plumbing is a key word. Heating is a cool word. Air conditioning is a key word. If you're looking for pizza, of course, pizza would be a key word. Hotels, hotel would be a key word. So with that in mind, I'm going to scroll down here. Like I said, I use them because they're right underneath of you here. Um, this is known as Mapit, by the way, right in this area. This down here is referred to as organics. And again, you guys are right up there where you should be, okay? But you want to get right up here. And you can get up in there in this area after listening to this video. Um, I'm sure there's a lot of information here that can help you, okay? And again, you guys are right at the top. I'm just going to see if we can see your competitors in here. Again, I don't see them, but you guys are in here quite a bit, which is awesome. So you guys are doing something right out there, that's for sure. Keep up the good work. But again, if you want to stay in good standings with Google, we got to get this word count up. And I'm just going to bring that up just to see where we're at. I think you're 179 if I remember right. No, 185. All right. So these guys must not have stuck when I copied and pasted. So I'm going to try theirs again. So again, you're at 185. I'm going to pop theirs in there. There it is. They have 393. So they're outranking you already in words, okay? Let's talk about keywords again. Again, keywords are anything that you'll type in this area for whatever you're looking for. This tool right here is called Ahrefs. This is not a free tool, however. It cost me about $200 a month to use this. So, keywords, organic keywords. Like I said, organics is this area down here. Okay. Like I said, you guys are showing up pretty good in here. So there's a lot of things that you're doing right. But your keywords, you only have two. Let's see what they are. As you can see, I just tapped on this. We said Siebel plumbing. So you're using heating, plumbing, heating. Okay. So these are good keywords to have there, but you need quite a few more in here to keep ranked at the top as you are right now, because Google goes through these websites, all this stuff with little robots, and they want to see how everybody's doing out there, and that's how they rank you in these areas. And if you don't keep up with them, you won't be number one here for if you don't try to keep up with Google. Okay. Let's go into your competitor. Again, that's them right there. They don't have any keywords. So that's why you're probably outranking them, because they don't have any organic keywords out there. So the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, I know that sounds pretty technical, but basically all it is a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks wins the popularity contest. Since we're already in here with your competitor, I'm just going to click on their backlinks. And again, these are different things are coming back to their web page. And again, they have 11. You guys have 1. Okay. So it won't take much for this other company to catch up with you. You need to work on this right here. This right here might also be a reason that you guys are outranking them. You guys must be paying for ads out there within Google, and Google loves that. That's how they make their money, is through their ads, of course. Let's see who your backlinks are, by the way. It looks like it's yourself. So, all right. So there are a few things, and those 2 things right there, that you can do to help your website grow stronger and bring more referrals to you. And again, that means more income or revenue. Next, we're going to talk about citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. So, for example, this and right here, if that wasn't in there and they spelt out and, you wouldn't be up in this area. The people wouldn't find you. Same with this little comma, this little dot. These are things that a citation works with. Okay, so it's very important to have everything exactly right here, phone number and everything, as it is on your business website here. Okay. So in closing, I guess there's a few things that you probably want to work on. Your backlinks and your organics and your word count. Like I said, they have 393. I think you were at 1785. Okay. So those are some areas that you want to get beefed up on and start working on to keep up in the number 1 spot and help people find you guys easier. Because like I said, if you get keep in that spot and you get everything just right, it's going to increase your revenue significantly. In ending, I'm going to be sending this video to you in an email. This information is free. I hope you use this free gift to your advantage and help your website out here. Otherwise, you can contact me at 608-574-2784. Or like I started to say, I'm going to be sending this video to you in an email. You can just reply to the email. Thank you for your time and have yourself a great